Naughty girl or a good girl? Rudolph's come here to deliver your presents.
Wow!
Look at my wrapping. Very
Messy.
equal.
Look at this.
This one's not crazy.
What is this? Leggings! Leggings!
Christmas leggings.
Ooh! Christmas leggings.
Look inside, look inside.
Looks like it's a kind of like a diaper.
Look inside though, it's to keep warm.
Oh wow! Yeah, it looks very warm. It's cute. I like it. Ooh!
It's just a book.
Ribbon.
Right inside.
Ooh! Oh, that's cute. Wow, I took it. Oh, it's very fluffy, which is good start. I like it.
Thank the high heavens.
Yeah, it's really nice. Thank you so much. Everything is cute.
Yeah, I think you look sexy. Sexy cute.
La 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 la. 어떤가요?
This one's here.
This is my present to Harry.
Is it deodorant? It's actually. It actually is. So basically, I get told I stink for Christmas. Thank you very much, though.
You said you didn't need deodorant.
I needed it, to be fair. Oh. You don't have to do that. It's a bit too much. Oh, it's really nice.
You like it?
Yeah, that's really good. Look at all these cookies. It's raining cookies.
Wow, ritual. Oh, it smells so good. Yay! That's the what I wanted. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. 여러분 올 한 해도 제 영국 여정을 함께 봐주시고 응원해주셔서 너무너무 감사드립니다. 저는 지금 남자친구 집에 가는 길이에요. 여기 영국은 한국보다 크리스마스를 진짜 크게 보내더라고요. 어제도 제가 선물 포장하다가 밤을 지새웠습니다. 아무튼 그러면은 영국에서는 어떻게 크리스마스를 보내는지 제 영상을 통해서 또 만나봤죠.
I wrapped it last year. Ready for the gym. Or a pabo girl. Get you in Santa's workshop. Is it me in there as well? No. I know, I was going to say, I wasn't included in that one. Oi, that's crazy. That's mad. French Revolution? Yeah, to be fair.
It brings life to the front room.
Yeah, do it.
Try?
Yeah, please. Oh, lovely.
I'm intrigued.
Bicycle.
Oh, that's so cool.
Big pile. Thank you so much. I love it.
Eagles.
Oh, you got eagles.
Got to put all the Crystal Palace back. Oi.
time to get rich and buy a house.
It smells like grass, isn't it?
Eat it.
I made it. But it's the best beer in the world.
You doing another? Alright, nick it now. Prove it. Oh my god. Here we have the best bit about Christmas. The ham
For you.
From the butchers. First taste. Merry Christmas.
Where are you sitting? Anybody sitting there?
Gigi was going to sit there.
Sit anywhere.
You can sit anywhere, sit up there.
Not elf.
Right.
Come in.
Oh, the music's gone off.
Come sit here.
Happy Christmas.
What is it?
Happy Christmas.
Piccalilli. Piccalilli. Boom.
Oh, Dad.
I've never seen that in my life.
Cheers, darling.
Yeah.
I'll have some.
What's in the pies?
What? No.
What are they in? What's in spice? That's a bit. That was a bit spicy. Something else.
Yeah, it is actually.
It's kind of cruel though. It's cruel.
This one yesterday.
Chris, could I have a wine glass, please? Thank
Thank you very much.
Right, ready?
We've
done something wrong here.
All done.
Chris is
Pressure.
We are the Christmas pudding.
Phrase that's going to make it difficult for me.
Green and small.
Put it in the bucket.
Yes, you have to write it. So you go.
This person coming to give the gift on Christmas.
Santa Claus.
You write the letters on this for Christmas.
Postcards.
Christmas cards.
Yeah.
Wait, you can't have that one. You said Christmas. Carry on. Carry on, sorry, carry on. Sorry.
Follow the rules.
Wine glass of wine. Air hostess.
I thought we should.
Oh. You
No.
You can't take that one.
You're a tree.
Harry Wiggly Bum.
What's your team name?
Hedgie.
Edgy. Well, last, I'm afraid. Crackers.
Well done.
That's 10 more than us.
It's a good one. It's just so funny.
Oh.
Are you gonna try that?
It's like a chocolate.
Yeah, it's chocolate. You're gonna love it.
Well, that's quite flamey, isn't it? Woo! Hey!
It's very strong taste.
Do it again.
I like it. It's quite strong. I feel like I can get drunk by eating this.
You're gonna announce it like ditto.
How's it going?
We're going to win it.
So there was a man and his girlfriend in New York City. They're on a vacation, and they had a fight over Christmas gift. And man went to pub. He drank too much alcohol, and he met the reindeer.
Oh, he goes out and he has a great time out with this reindeer. He goes from shop to shop, from bar to bar. And he doesn't return for 3 days.
Dun, dun, dun.
His wife, Mary, will call her.
On the fourth day of Christmas, when Jesus to me, 4 golden birds, 3 French hens, 2 gentle doves, and a partridge in the pear tree. Merry Christmas, my true love said to me. 5 silver sleeping time us to the perfect light.
안녕하세요 여러분, 지지입니다. 크리스마스는 잘 보내셨나요? 저는 아침마을 선물 받아가지고 지금 입고 있어요. 엘프 아침마을이요. 아무튼 저는 지금 아침으로 바나나 팬케이크를 만들 거예요. 이 팬케이크는 일반 팬케이크보다 훨씬 밀가루 적게 들어가서 건강식. 그러면 지금 만들어 볼까요? 제가 만들었지만 진짜 맛있어요, 여러분. 메이플 시럽의 달콤함과 라즈베리의 상콤을 만나서 진짜 환상의 맛을 이루었습니다. 초콜릿 한번 넣어 먹어볼까요? 다 식긴 했지만. 와, 초콜릿 너무 맛있는데? 크리스마스가 지나고 나면 생각보다 모든 게 금방 조용해진다. 캠브리지로 이사가기 전날 내 방을 정리하기 시작했다. 물건을 정리하는 건데 이상하게 지난 시간들이 같이 정리되는 기분이 들었다. 이 방에서 설레는 하루들을 보내기도 했고 해외에서의 뼛속까지 사무치는 외로움에 엉엉 울던 날도 있었다. 매일 같은 창밖을 보며 그렇게 한 해를 보냈다. 방이 점점 비어갈수록 올해도 정말 끝나고 있구나 싶었다. 이 방에서 보내는 마지막 밤. 이렇게 내 한 해가 끝났다. 그리고 새로운 한 해가 조용히 시작되고 있다.